Does your engine lack power? It could be your fuel filter. First, if you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. Now back to fuel filters. Your fuel filter screens out dirt, rust, metal flake, paint chips, plant life, or anything else that could be lying inside your tank. Never run your car down to at least a quarter tank of gas. All the garbage in your tank lives in that last quarter tank of gas, and your fuel pump will suck that into the filter. Number 2, never run your car out of gas. All the garbage that was in that quarter tank of gas is now in your fuel filter. Think about where you buy your gas. The older the station, the older the underground tanks. Pumping gas from an older station could mean pumping garbage into your car. And just because a station updated their pumps with pretty new colors don't mean they changed the underground tanks. Changing the underground tanks means digging up the ground and pulling out the old tanks and replacing them with new tanks. What's the big deal with dirty fuel? Well, dirty fuel could cause damage to your fuel pump or even lower fuel pressure to the injectors. It could even stop your car from running. Other problems could be poor fuel mileage, hesitation, and loss of power. Low fuel pressure at the injectors could damage your exhaust system, costing you hundreds of dollars. And having too much air and not enough fuel for combustion causes this problem. On older cars, fuel filters should be changed every 20 to 40,000 miles. On newer cars, fuel filters should be changed every 50 to 60,000 miles. However, some people say change them every 2 years. The best thing to do is to look in your owner's manual. Is there a difference between a fuel filter and a fuel strainer? Yes, there is a difference between a fuel filter and a fuel strainer. A fuel filter prevents impurities from reaching the injectors. A fuel strainer prevents water from reaching the injectors. Industrial engines have both fuel filters and fuel strainers. If you live in a rural farming community or do a lot of off-roading, you may need to think about changing your fuel filter sooner. In those locations, trash seems to magically end up in your fuel tank. I've been in a situation where we had to change our generator fuel filters every few days. That said, every time we come back from camping off-grid, our car is full of sand and other crap. This fuel filter is from our Mazda Miata MX5. Over the next few minutes, we will show you how we did this. In order to replace the fuel filter, we had to remove the back tire and jack up the car. We purchased our filter at AutoZone, but if you want an OEM filter, you get it from the dealership or Amazon. So there you have it, how we replace our fuel filter on our Miata MX5. Again, if you like these videos, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.